Hey there, amazing listeners. Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a truly great listener? To be the kind of person everyone wants to talk to, share stories with, and trust? Well, today on Moral Empire, we're diving into the magic of being a good listener. It might seem like a small skill, but did you know that being a great listener is one of the top traits that can help you succeed in school, make friends, and even grow up to be a powerful leader? Welcome to Moral Empire, the channel where we explore the best ways to learn, grow, and become kinder, smarter, and more thoughtful every day. Let's get started on today's adventure into the world of active listening. Now, let's think about it for a second. How many times have you been talking to someone, only to feel like they're not really listening? Maybe they're looking at their phone, or their mind seems to be somewhere else entirely. It doesn't feel great, right? Well, here's a little secret. Being a good listener is actually a superpower that helps you connect, make friends, and understand people better. So, what does it mean to be a great listener? Being a great listener means more than just hearing words. It means understanding the message, showing interest, and letting the other person know you care about what they're saying. Let's explore some simple but powerful ways to become the best listener you can be. But first, let's talk about a few common challenges we all face when trying to listen. Sometimes, there are distractions around us, like our phones or other people talking. Other times, we might have thoughts or judgments about what someone's saying, and it's hard to focus. The truth is, being a good listener takes practice, patience, and sometimes even a little bit of self-control to ignore those distractions. But don't worry. Today, I'll share some super helpful tips that can make listening feel like an easy and fun adventure. Here are 3 magical steps to help you become an amazing listener. 1. Keep eye contact. When someone is talking to you, look at their face and make gentle eye contact. Eye contact shows them that you're really there, paying attention, and ready to listen with an open heart. Imagine your friend telling you about their day, and you're looking right at them, nodding along. This small action makes them feel heard, valued, and understood. That's the first secret of a good listener. 2. Don't interrupt. We all get excited sometimes and want to jump in with our own stories or ideas. But here's the trick. When we let someone finish talking without interrupting, it gives them the space to fully express their thoughts. A good listener waits patiently, even if they have a thought to share. Remember, every time you let someone finish, you're giving them a wonderful gift, the gift of your time and attention. 3. Show thoughtful responses. This is where the magic happens. After listening to someone, you can respond with a little recap of what they said or by asking a thoughtful question. For example, if your friend tells you about their art project, you might say, "Wow, so you made a painting of a sunset. That sounds beautiful. What inspired you to choose that?" This shows them that you were really listening and that you care about their story. Now, let's talk about why these skills are so important. Imagine you're having a tough day, and a friend comes over to listen to you. They make eye contact, don't interrupt, and respond thoughtfully. How would that make you feel? Probably pretty amazing, right? You'd feel understood and appreciated. That's the power of listening. It helps us build strong friendships, shows empathy, and helps us become better friends, siblings, and classmates. When we listen well, we're not only learning from others but also building something priceless, trust and understanding. Let me share a quick story. There was a boy named Leo who always wanted to be the star of every conversation. He loved talking and sharing his ideas, but his friends didn't feel heard. One day, Leo decided to really listen. He made eye contact, didn't interrupt, and asked his friends questions about what they loved. To his surprise, everyone wanted to spend more time with him. Leo learned that being a good listener made him an even better friend. You see, just like Leo, we can all become better listeners with a little bit of practice. It's not about being perfect, it's about being present. So, let's recap the 3 steps to becoming a great listener. First, keep eye contact to show you're focused. Second, don't interrupt, let them finish their story. Third, give a thoughtful response to show you really understood. These 3 simple steps can make a big difference in your relationships, at school, and in your future. Listening is like a superpower that helps you connect with others and learn amazing things from the people around you. And that's it for today's video on Moral Empire. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more amazing life skills, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty of other exciting videos on how to grow, learn, and be the best version of you. And hey, if you've ever had challenges with listening, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember, listening is the first step to understanding. See you soon on Moral Empire.